Good day, rock stars. How you doing out there? Hope you're doing good. We had an overcast morning. It was raining a moment ago. Now it looks like the sun's trying to poke its head out. Weather's turning. Kick the heat on. Yesterday, for the first time in the season, got my hoodie on. My new hat. Picked this up at the mall. Wearing my pin from the Baltimore Aquarium. National Aquarium, Baltimore City. Yeah, wasn't going to do a recording this morning, but you know, sometimes you just are told to. Get an urge. That's what an urge is. When you have an urge, that is the spirits telling you to do something. It's your spirit guides pushing you. So let's start with our morning orison. Hey there, spirits. How are you today? Thank you for everything you give us. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for this wonderful life that we all have, that we're all sharing. Thank you for our families and our friends. Smile upon them as you would smile upon us. Inspire us. Inspire us to hit the like button. Inspire us to share this video. And subscribe. Inspire us to subscribe if we have not done so yet. Let's build a community of awakened souls. Help us build a community of awakened spirits. Help us open ourselves up to your messages. And one personal ask. So, my father's purchasing lottery tickets for the big win. It's over $1 billion. I have given him some numbers to pick and use. Please smile kindly upon our pick, and we will promise and vow, and I'll hold him to this, that we will use a good amount of that money to do something to help advance humanity. I promise. All right, so help us win. I wanna buy a nice house in the country, and yeah, I want to buy a nice house in the country, and I want to do something nice for humanity. I'm not asking to quit my job. In fact, I feel I need something. I like my job. But yeah, help us out with that. That'd be great. We will, in return, pass it forward to the rest of the world. All right, that concludes our morning orison. Cover my mustache, get my mustache. We left in a hurry this morning. We were running late. I hit my snooze alarm for like half an hour longer than I should have. It's a rainy morning, and I was up late last night, and I just wanted to sleep. It's catching up with me. So, I am channeling today. We're channeling again. This is I'm channeling messages for you and the world. These are things that you need to hear. These are things that the spirits want you to hear. So as we are getting on the highway here, we are opening up the spiritual channels. I see God's rays coming down through the clouds, across this horizon here in front of me. I wish I could show you. It's glorious. You can see it with and without my glasses, sunglasses. So, the spirits are sending me these God's rays. If you don't know what a God's ray is, it's one of those rays of sun that just shoots through those holes in the clouds. Looks very godlike. That's what I'm seeing. And that is a sign that the spirits are communicating this morning. All right, spirits. What do you want to tell me? Spirits want me to communicate that you need to start eating healthier. You need to eat less sugars, less fats. I know that it's getting colder and we crave more fattening food like hamburgers and stuff with lots of grease and butter and it's not, you're not saying you should stop eating hamburgers, just stop eating so many hamburgers, all right? Don't eat fast food because you know what? It's not going to give your body the nutrients it needs. If you go to like a nice pub and get yourself a big juicy house burger, that will give you the physical and spiritual energy that you need. You could eat 100 McDonald's or Burger King burgers and it's not going to do for your body what that big house burger is going to do, okay? Spirit said you can even treat yourself to a nice beer, okay? And sit yourself down at the pub, get yourself a nice stout beer, and get yourself a big pub burger. And we're going to enjoy that, okay? But you know what? The Spirit says you can even have a second beer, but don't go too crazy. Don't stay there and get drunk. Bounce out. Go home. Get some rest. Take care of yourself. But don't eat a house burger every day of the week. You need to basically have no more than one hamburger a week because that's getting heavy, all right? And if your body is heavy and weighed down, then you are not going to be as productive. So, to break up and you want something hearty and warm that's going to fill your belly and make you feel satisfied as this colder weather rolls in, get yourself some Thai food. That's right. Find your local Thai restaurant, get yourself some spicy curry dishes. Thai curry is very different from Indian curry. There's red curry, yellow curry, green curry, Massaman curry, Penang curry, and there's another one I'm forgetting. Get yourself some curry. Get yourself some drunken noodles. Some spicy drunken noodles. Make it spicy. Spicy food's good for you. That's what the Spirit wanted me to communicate first. They wanted me to communicate that you need to start eating healthier. Not that you have to start eating less. Just the things that you consume, make sure they have more health benefits. Like, don't sit down with the Doritos if you're gonna eat some chips. Get yourself some yuca chips or cassava chips. I've been eating these cassava strips. They're very thin and crispy. Really good. And they feel healthier. I could eat a whole bag of cassava. Or even the baked Lays. You know, I don't think those really have... I think those just kind of go right through you, but they're a lighter alternative. Don't stop drinking so much soda. Stop drinking so much soda. Get some flavored sparkling waters. You know who makes really good sparkling water? Canada Dry. They got this limey flavored sparkling water. It's really good. A lot of the sparkling waters I find have a weird chemical. The flavored sparkling waters have a weird chemical taste to them. And I don't really dig it. Canada Dry. They got a good flavor. They've always done it right. Spirit guide. Someone's saying shout out to truck drivers. On the road a lot. Away from their families a lot. Taking long hauls across the country. With all of our goods that we need. This country would not function without truck drivers. You'd have nothing at the grocery store if it wasn't for your truck drivers. Your Amazon deliveries, all this stuff. The flow of goods is what keeps society functioning. You need truck drivers to maintain the flow of goods. So shout out truck drivers. Channeling the spirits. Channeling the spirits here. Feels good. Alright, what else? What else? I'm hearing the word cranberries. As we're getting into the holiday season, try making something with cranberries. I don't know why the spirits are telling me this. Maybe cranberries are good for us. If you know why, if you think cranberries, or you know that cranberries are good for us, and you know why, drop a comment. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Drop a comment. I love a comment. I never get comments. And the spirit guides are going to tell me what they keep telling me. Go hiking. Get out there in the woods. And they're telling me that I need to do this too. I know. I am about to be traveling to Texas. I am going to be going to Dallas to do some work. Been to Dallas before once. Dallas is cool. Big fan of Deep Ellum. It's a nice neighborhood in Dallas. If you have kids, you have a young child, or a baby, that is the greatest gift in your life. Be patient. Be patient with your babies. And if you have a toddler or a younger child, a child of any age, but specifically younger children, is what the spirits are telling me. They want me to send you this message. The greatest gift that we can give our children is our enthusiasm. Enthusiasm leads to encouragement and strength. Yeah. Another message I'm getting is the spirits are saying that we have to be careful about the words that we choose and the way that we choose to speak, because we manifest our reality through the words that we speak. Language is powerful. Words are powerful. When you say something, it affects change. Because, I assume most of the time you're speaking to somebody else when you're using words. You're not just talking to yourself like I am right now. But hopefully a lot of people hear my words and hear this recording. You have the power to change the world with your words, and you do it every day. The more negative thoughts we have, and the more we express these negative thoughts, the more negative the world becomes. If someone gives you a task to complete, that's your job, that's your task to complete. Instead of saying something like, oh, I have to do this thing, say, oh, I get to do this thing. It'll empower you to own that task. And the more you feel empowered to own the task, the more success you will have at its completion. And that is an example of how we manifest reality with our words. Positive, assertive language. So, the more positively you speak about the world and about your life and your situation, the better your world and your life and your situation will be. And that's all I have time for today. So I'm closing my spiritual kiosk for the morning. Sorry, spirits. I will get to you next time. The messages that I was not able to channel today. Stay good, rock stars. Be good to yourselves. I love each and every one of you. Rock and roll. Peace.